मिरुनि इनफरमेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग और पार्लियामेंटारि एफेयार्सनि स्टेट मिनिस्टार डॉक्टर एल मुरुगाना चिरां जिल्लानि जिल्ला बेंगिरिनि नब्लाङाव चिरां जिल्लानि गुबुन गुबुन बिफान गाहायफोरजों सावरायनाय हाबाफारि जालाङो। बे सावरायनाय हाबाफारिनि गेजेरजों मिरुनि स्टेट मिनिस्टार बिथाङा हादरसा आरो मिरु सोरखारनि माखासे फ्लेगशिप स्किमनि खामानिफोरखौ जिल्ला खुंथाया गासै बिथिंनि हाबा मावफुंनाय सायाव खौरां लानानै गोजोननाय फोरमायो आरो बेसेन गोसा बोसोन होनानै हादरसा आरो मिरु सोरखारनि मावबाय थानाय माखासे बिथांखिनि खामानिफोरखौ थि समनि गेजेराव फोजोबनो खावलायो। मख'नो गोनां बाथ्रा दि चिरां जिल्लानि जिल्ला बेंगिरिनि नब्लाङाव जानाय दिनैनि बे सावरायनाय हाबाफारियाव चिरां जिल्लानि जिल्ला बेंगिरि पि विजया भास्कर रेड्डी, लकसभानि एमपि जयन्त बसुमतारी, राज्यसभानि एमपि रोनगोरा नार्जारी, बिटिसिनि इएम धनन्जय बसुमतारी, बिजनी महकुमानि महकुमा बेंगिरि कृति शास्त्रा, चिरां जिल्लानि लेङाइ जिल्ला बेंगिरि आरो गुबुन गुबुन बिफाननि मावख'गिरिफोरा बाहागो लादोंमोन।
Today I came on detailed review meeting in the district of Sirang. So you know, everyone, we know that our visionary Prime Minister's guidance, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's guidance, every district or every northeast state, our central ministers are visiting every month. One central minister is visiting here, and they are staking and they are looking and taking review meetings to the implementation of the central government schemes. How the central government schemes are implementing here, because of the northeast development is this nation's development. That is the vision of our Prime Minister. So for that, the donor ministry is the nodal ministry. They are sending our central ministers here. So today I came here for the Sirang district. So we had a detailed review meeting related to the central government schemes. Yesterday we celebrated the 10th year of the Prime Minister Jandan account. In the Prime Minister's Jandan account, financial inclusion has to be reach out to the every citizen of the country. So that in today also in our review meeting we focus this. So every person has need to the bank account in that Jandan because of the all central government or state government schemes or benefits has to be directly goes to the beneficiaries. For that the Jandan accounts we are had a detailed review meeting, and also we had a detailed review meeting about the Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana and our MP's concern over the erosion issues in the rivers bank. That also we had a detailed review meeting, and we had a in the district administration they mentioned one scheme. They while before the scheme they started a mentor to the students. Before that the passing rate this district was 33rd place. Within 2 years the district became a number 1 because the mentors they identified the students, and the teachers are going, and the officers are going, and they approach the students and they giving the guidance to the student. And as well as our Chief Minister's scheme, our Chief Minister Arunodaya schemes, that also implementation, how they are implementing, that also we took a detail. So the schemes are implementing our the review meetings main motto, 100% schemes has to reach over the beneficiaries. So this is the today's meeting. Tomorrow we will visit some places and some ongoing workplaces also on central government construction and road projects. Tomorrow I am going to visit. This is my entire visits purpose.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है, बीटीसी काउंसिल में एक ही रेडियो स्टेशन है, वही कोकराझार में। तो लास्ट टाइम में हमारे जो मिनिस्टर राजनाथ जी उन्होंने बताया था कि इसको डिजिटलाइज करेंगे, तो मॉडर्नाइज करेंगे, लेकिन वो हो नहीं पाया। सो आप
नहीं टुडे दैट our BTC and our MP brought up my notice because of this is a concern of my ministry also. It is in my notice today, bringing up my notice. We will take care and we will because we will see how we will, because now all FM stations are upgrading. Here also we will have a detailed study and we will look in this and we will take care of this.
Thank you, sir.